M0FXB, I am going to create a new Allstar image for my wireless node here, just on a Raspberry Pi 3B. First thing is go to HamVoip, which is here, and just download the image, which I've just done, and just click it. Just here where it says Allstar image, the link is in the description. It's gone already to my downloads folder, so put that somewhere where you're going to find it. So I just create a new folder here, image 3, and I'm just going to click the zip and extract it to that folder. Just click extract, find the folder on my desktop. And what do I call it? Image HI. There it is there. Click OK. And it will put it there. While it does that, we're going to download Balena Etcher, which is here. And we're also going to delete or format our SD card. So just go SD, I put the SD card in with an adapter to my PC, like so. Let's go yes, and format. It will find your card automatically. Yes, you want a nice fresh card. Pretty sure it's 32 GB. Yeah, because it's the older image, it doesn't need a big SD card. I think with the new Allstar 3, you need a bigger card, like 64, I would say. So now we open Balena, flash from file, find that on our desktop image, go to image, there it is, and double click here, that's the latest image. And then it finds the card, it's actually 64 GB. And then we go flash. Okay, that's flashed, and we've powered up the Raspberry Pi. When I plugged in my Ethernet, it's a lot easier to set up the Wi-Fi by plugging in your Ethernet first. Then we'll search for the device on my network, so everything's got to be on the same network. And there's free programs you can download to search your network and look for things that are on your network. One's called Angry IP. I just use my broadband router. I just log into it and I have a quick look to see what's connected. And because it's Ethernet, look for wired. And you'll see there straight away, look, it says wired. There's a wired connection there. So we now can log into PUTTY using that IP address. 192.168.0.103. I'll put in a link for PUTTY, and once you've downloaded it, it opens up and looks like this. And you put the IP address here, just here, 192.168.0.103. Add a 2 over here. And we're on SSH, which is here, and then click open. And if you've done it correct, you'll get this wet message and you'll click accept. Then we can log in. And we go root. I'm pretty sure it's Raspberry, isn't it? The password. No, let's try root again. There you go. So it's root and root. And it says retrieve the latest updates. Click yes. And it's going to do all that for you. So it's updating everything. You've got the image on there. And then there's a few more steps to take to get this thing working as a node. Okay, click OK, and it will reboot with the new update. Now we go back into PUTTY with the same IP address, 192.168.0.107. Put the 2 back in, enter. Set log back in. Root and root. Retrieve the latest updates. No, because we've already done that. So we're going to click to the right with the arrows on the keyboard. Enter. It now says first time. I'm going to go yes. And we're going to put in our new password. And then click OK. It makes us type it in twice. Click OK. And if you have a node number password from Allstar, click no. So we'll do that. Enter the public node number that we're going to use. Now you're going to have to get your node number from Allstar. I have quite a few because you get one and then you can divide it into 10, and then you hover over, I'm not going to show you, but you hover over next to the node number and it will show you the password as well. So we're going to put in 539018. It's almost like a phone number really. Oops, didn't go in. 539018. Click OK. And then yes for asterisk. Node configuration will run after boot. Okay, so we need it to reboot. Do you want to change the time zone? Yes. Look for GB. So you have to just click here and then go with the down arrow. And I'm like, mine is, I know it comes up Europe, London, I think it says. Keep going down. Once you find where you are, Europe, London, there it is. Then click OK. Your time zone, I'm going to put yes. The current host name, I'm going to keep that. That does show up in my router. Yes. Enter the, I don't want to change that. Click OK. There's the IP address. It's 103 now. I don't want to change it. The script allows you to select the 222. We've been using that, so that's fine. Do you want to change it? No. Remember to log back in using the 103. Reboot. So back with PUTTY, and then we're going to log in root and then the new password that we set. Enter, and we're back in. It's going to go, it says it will run the first time. I'm going to go yes and just check. I've got my node number, yes. Enter station call M0FXB. That's it. Click OK. I'm just going to go yes. Asterisk can either voice. If you select yes, voice ID, then a voice ID will be created. If you select no, then the default CW will be sent. Okay. I do like voice. I'm going to go yes. There's the port 4569. Click OK. And okay, this is what everyone selects. Semi-full duplex. Click OK. Node number password. I'll copy and paste that. Click OK. Asterisk has the capability to receive connections from a Windows computer using a program called IXARP. In order to do this, you'll need to specify password. I think I'm going to add a password because I think I might play with that later. It's given me the opportunity to do the simple USB settings now. Now, I'm not going to do them now, but if you're connecting this to a radio or headphones, then you do need to configure this, but we're going to do it further down. So I'm going to go no. Do you want to restart asterisks to enable selections? I'm going to go yes. I can also do my Wi-Fi now. Let's go down. Config, so we don't need the cable then, see? Enter. Set up Wi-Fi. Enter. This program sets the Wi-Fi. Go yes. Manually enter. I'm going to go no. It should search it. And it'll find the Wi-Fi I want to use. Just in the normal way. Going to go enter. Put in my password and press open. And it makes you agree to that a couple of times. So I'm going to reboot now. So now, after a reboot, my Pi, you can see that it's actually showing up here, that it's now connected. It says yes, 439018. And you'll need to download a program called WNSCP, loads of advertising here. But when you open it, it looks like this. I'll put the link in the description. When you open it, it looks like this. So it's quite daunting, but fear not. So now we're going to put the IP address in, 192, and we are on Wi-Fi now. 7, and then another 2 here. And the password, I'm going to put them here and here, and then press enter or log in. And that's logged in. Okay, I'm just gonna, shall I go update? Yeah, I'll be good and do the update. So now these are the files on our SD card that are actually in our Pi. And we need to start adding our node number, etc, and password. So here, the first one is to go to etc, just here, and then go down to, oh, it's only one down, asterisk, and then you're looking for asterisk comp. Double click, and you get this. Let me, no, that didn't look. Yeah, RPT comp. See it here? RPT comp. It's very small. Double click, then scroll to the bottom, and you can see our node numbers in places already, but we need to go right to the bottom. And here, let's find it, is where we're interested in. Right down here, we're going to put in there, just change the 1999, put the node number in, 539018, and again, put it in here, 539018. Done that, and then we're going to actually go up to above it, press enter, and we're going to type another one in, 539018 space equals space radio, and then we're going to put our public IP address in there. Click here, colon, oops, 2 dots, and then the word none. Make sure you save as you do this. At the top here, you click save. It's like a little disk, like a little floppy disk. Oh, just realised I forgot to put the 882 there. 82 space, and then let's get it right. Go back, comma. These tiny mistakes do matter. Save. So we'll close that. Now we want manager conf 2 up. Go down and see that says secret. Put yourself a little password here. I mean, I would keep them the same, but anyway, admin, put a password there. Close that, remembering to save all the way. And now we're looking for HTTP comp. So up one, HTTP. There it is there. HTTPD. Then conf here, look. Then HTTPD conf. Double click there. Just go down. You're looking for the word list. Where is it? Here it is. See this list 80. Let's just change that to 2. And then save. And close that down. Now we're looking for SRV. Not there. I know it's a bit fiddly. There, look for the big long list when you click at the top. And SRV. LMNOPQRS. Where is it? Yeah, after clicking around a bit, eventually I saw SRV. Double click that.
Superman.
Right, then HTTP. Then Supermon. And then Allmon Ini, which is right at the bottom here at the moment. And then we need to get in here. We'll put our node number here at the top. 539018. And then a password for admin. So that user admin, put a password in there. And then make sure you hit save and then close that window. So you can now completely close that window. Click OK to saving. And then go back to PUTTY. Log back in. Try and move that over. Start again, PUTTY. Right. Usual 192.168.0.107. And there's no quick way to do this, to be honest. I suppose you can actually clone a card. once you've done one, which always helps. So back in PUTTY, click accept, log in with your new same username, which is root. Enter your password and then go down, click here, go down to number 9. It's called Start Bash Shell. Enter. And then we're going to put in some commands. I'm copying this down thanks to the vicar and his videos. So it's cd space /srv /http/supermon. And if you're familiar with Linux, it puts us into the supermon, I don't know, file. Then it wants us to remove the password. So we have to put in rm space, then a dot, http asswd, enter, remove regular empty file. Let's try that again. No, I think we just go Y here. Removed password. Okay. So now, and you might have to, be careful with your typing. HTPASSWD. Yeah, no R. Space, flat line, small c, then big B, space, dot, and then it's HTPASSWD. I mean, there is a place where you can copy all these commands, isn't there? Admin, space admin. Let's just double. And if you look there on the left where I've been using the video from Radio Rev G5REV to follow these steps, you'll see that he's got the commands there. And I highly recommend you watch that video. So I put it in, I'm just double checking. So it's HTPASSWD space CB space dot HTPASSWD space admin. And then I'm going to hit enter. New password. I'll quickly put that in and press enter a couple of times. It then says adding password, which means you've done it. Now just type exit. EXIT, enter. And we're back here and we can go down and reboot. Enter. Enter. So now we should be able to log into Supermon. And you'll see on the Allstar system that it says yes here because my node is now online. If I put my IP address in here at the top, it says this is a test. If you see this, the web server is working. Okay, that's enough for now. Let's call this part 1. And then after this, we can go back into the USB sound settings, log into Supermon and get this node working. Bye for now.